Today, my reflection on the series, Not All Factual but All True, focuses on the difference between the biblical accounts and the probable reality of three of Judah's kings: King Ahaz, King Hezekiah, and King Manasseh. So the Bible says that King Ahaz was a terrible king. He did evil in the sight of the Lord. Why? Because he entered into an alliance with Judah's enemy, the Assyrians, in order to protect Judah. This was seen as wrong because to enter into an alliance with a foreign power, a foreign country, was to enter into an alliance with their gods. And this is a form of idolatry, and it means that Ahaz did not worship Yahweh only. And so he is condemned for that in the Bible. The next king, Hezekiah, is seen as a good king because he rebelled against the Assyrians. And even though he lost, even though Judah sacrificed much of its territory, Jerusalem was spared. Why? Because God, Yahweh, intervened on their behalf and spared them. Hezekiah is followed by King Manasseh. Manasseh is also considered a bad king in the Bible because he favored the worship of false gods and did not follow the religion of Yahweh only. Well, so the facts of the matter are quite different. Ahaz did enter into an alliance with the Assyrians, but during that time, Judah experienced peace and prosperity. So on one level, Ahaz is a very good king. Hezekiah, on the other hand, arrogantly believes that the little bitty kingdom of Judah can somehow overwhelm the massive empire of the Assyrians. And so many Judeans are killed because of Hezekiah's arrogance. Manasseh decided that he would play ball with the Assyrians. He would ally with them rather than try to fight them. And so there was, during the reign of Manasseh, another period of peace and prosperity. So this is an example of how the Deuteronomistic history paints the events and the people of the Old Testament in one way when the fact of the matter is quite different. But the point of the story, the truth of the story, remains the same. That as long as God's people remained faithful to Yahweh, remained faithful to God, then they experience good times. This is what God expects. And we believe today that this is what God expects of us as well, to be faithful to God alone, no matter what.